Want to know how to earn money on Binance? Well, you're in the right place. This is your step-by-step guide to trading on one of the world's most popular cryptocurrency exchanges. The first step is to sign up. Head over to the Binance website and click on Register. Fill in your details, verify your email, and you're good to go. Remember, security is key. Enable two-factor authentication to protect your account. Next, you need to deposit funds. Click on Funds, then Deposits. You can deposit either cryptocurrency or cash. If you're depositing cash, you'll need to set up a payment method. You can use a bank transfer, credit card, or even a third-party payment service. Choose the one that suits you best. Once your account is funded, it's time to start trading. Click on Markets to see all the available trading pairs. Choose a pair such as Bitcoin to USDT and click on it. You'll see a detailed chart with the current price and trading volume. Now, you're ready to place your first order. You can choose to buy or sell. If you think the price of Bitcoin will go up, you would buy. If you think it will go down, you would sell. You can also set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell, known as a limit order. But trading isn't just about buying low and selling high, it's about understanding the market. Use tools like Binance's advanced charting and market analysis to make informed decisions. Follow the latest news and trends in the cryptocurrency world, and always keep an eye on your investments. To summarize, trading on Binance involves a few key steps. First, sign up and secure your account. Second, deposit funds. Third, choose a trading pair. Fourth, place an order. And last but not least, keep an eye on the market and your investments. Remember, trading involves risk, but with a bit of knowledge, a bit of strategy, and a bit of luck, you can turn that risk into reward. This is your step-by-step guide to trading on Binance. Happy trading!